Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel like Tech Programming, and today I'm going to tell you about the problem is related to the this one that is called MySql about this. Sorry about that. And now I'm going to run the server like Apache. So it's going to be a sign-up port, and the server that is running is is fine, very easily. And after that, when I click on the start button of info of MySql, then what will be happen कि अगर मैं इसके सामने क्लिक करता हूँ तो प्रॉब्लम क्या फेस हो रही है, इशू क्या आ रहा है, तो ये इस चीज़ के बारे में मैं डिस्कस करूँगा आज कि असल में प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ये एरर क्या है और इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है। अगर मैं इस पर क्लिक करता हूँ, अभी आपको दिखाता हूँ क्या है बेसिकली वो ये एरर जो है वो आपके सामने आता है। तो यू कैन सी दिस गाइस, मतलब मैंने इसको स्टार्ट किया था, वो ऑटोमेटिकली उसकी जो पोर्ट AIDs और पोर्ट जो असाइन हुआ था MySql को वो चला गया, मतलब वो यहाँ पर शो नहीं हो रहा और स्टार्ट का जो बटन है वो दोबारा से बाय डिफॉल्ट उसी पोजीशन के ऊपर आ चुका है। तो असल में ये प्रॉब्लम है क्या और इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है वो भी मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊँगा। तो अगर आप लोग मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो काइंडली प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल टेक प्रोग्रामिंग, ताकि आपको जो लेटेस्ट वीडियोस are related to tech programming या as well as the other information about the programming languages you will get it from my this channel. And अगर आपको कोई e-commerce से related काम देखना है या उसके बाद travel agencies, real estate management websites, each and everything and the other kind of stuff you will get it from this channel. So please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. I will give you the good and very informative like videos related to programming or any or other kind of stuff. So now let's move on to the problem, and I'm going to tell you about the solution. What is the main problem? This and how we can sort out like this and how we can solve this thing. First of all, I'm going to the like C drive and click on them. Then I went to the SC docs. Not exactly the SC docs. I went to the like this one MySql. So when I went to the MySql folder in XAMPP folder, where is the problem right now? The problem is here in this folder. And if I'm going to be like right click on this folder and just rename it data, sorry, underscore, I will just write it like old, like this folder is just like becomes an old one folder, and press enter. So you can see this guys, and it look like this, and I have a lot of different databases into this folder, which I have been created when I was working on different projects like Span Foundation, Selma, also user management, e-commerce, and a lot of different projects, CRUDs and custom CRUDs with Laravel and as well as PHP. So what I need to do is about to solve this problem right now. I'm going to create a new folder and right click on it, new folder, and name of this folder will be like data. I write it as just like data. So after this, when I created this folder with the name of data, what I can do now next, the thing is this which I have just been created and I have just been performed after this while creating the folder of data is about backup. So I have to copy all this kind of stuff and paste it right here into this folder, because this is the like we can say that this is the backup for us, and to like if I'm click on this, you can see this guys, to give us the and like backup scenarios if we have been problem and kind of like related to this thing. You can see this guy, when I click on start, it will not be running the properly because the MySql is, you can see this error, MySql shutdown unexpectedly. So if I'm going to be call control and or just like select all the files, I'm going to be like these two keywords like Control A, and I have been another option how to select all these files, like select all, right click, copy it and paste it into data folder like this, exactly. So it will take a little bit of time. So you can see this guys, it paste it into the folder of data, all of these files which have been showing into our backup folder. So what step will be the next is that we need to copy all of those databases which I think, or just like which you think are very important, and like if I'm going to say that is very needful if while we want to run the MySQL, and if you want to work with on your previous projects, so you need to find out that kind of databases, and if you run your project, and then it will give you a lot of errors about related to the database as well now, because there is no database into this new folder like data folder. So when I go to this previous one data all folder, and what are those databases which I have been selected, which I think those databases are very important for me, and okay, so I'm going to select those databases which I have been just pasted into the data folder, which I just created to the recently, like this one. Open it again at now, like data all one folder, select this one, like select, this is one of the most important database which I really needed once, because I have a big project related to this one, like file and login, this one, and user management system, and I think which one the other ones, that's it, I think so, like this one also, this one. So I should just been selected all those databases except one which I really consider for myself, for these databases are very important while if I'm gonna be run the all projects or just like previous projects into my system. So right click on this, copy and paste it into this folder. It will take a little bit of time to paste it. Okay, now the process is done, and the last step which I have to do is again go into the data all folder, scroll down, you have to just copy this this file, copy it, just like right click on it, this file, because it's IP the data one, it's like you can say that it's just like being a backup for for the databases as well. So paste it into the data folder and replace this, like replace it. So you can see this guy says replace it into this folder, and okay, I think the process is done now. And if I'm going to the just click on the XAMPP server, and I stop at this one, like server, like Apache server, and again I'm going to be run the MySQL and every other kind of stuff. Let's see it will provide a solution or not, because when I had just been read the documentations, the error which I have occurred into my this XAMPP server, and I just read all the steps and sort out about the problem related to this one. So okay, now I right click, just like click on the start button for the Apache, because it will take some. Okay, now the port and the PID is also being assigned to the Apache like server one, and if I'm going to be click on the MySQL, let's see if it's going to be shut it down again, or just like working with properly, or just like work finely for us. Okay, now right click on this, or just like click on this. Okay, just wait for it, it's running now. Okay, you should need to stop it yourself again. Stop this thing, like stop MySQL again now, or if I'm just right click on the PHP my admin. let's see it again, and you can like stop this one. Again, click on it, Apache start button in front of like this one. Click on MySqL, wait for it. You can see this, guys, it's going to be assigned the another port into MySqL. And okay, now the PHP my admin is like the UI interface is open now in front of us. Like here, I'm just checking out the others, the problem which I just need to get it. Okay, so you can see this, guys, all the other previous databases and everything which I really need for my previous projects, it will arrive to into a new database, new like UI which I have been just created. The folder is called data, and to MySqL folder in before the, or just like after the XAMPP folder. If you find any kind of like error related to this, you will get the solution like this if you follow all the steps which I have just been did to sort out, just like to solve the problem. So thank you very much, guys. If again if you are new really to my like programming channel, like tech programming channel, so kindly please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon as well. Then you will get the latest updates about the like related to this channel and the latest videos. So thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day.